It's a case of realizing that that is going to be a journey. It's not going to be a quick thing, and sort of just have that flexibility along the way. Don't be too stuck into, okay, well, this was my idea and that's where we're going.
Yes.
You know, your business is going to evolve every day. Your product will evolve all the time. It's just about having, I think, the key partnership is what do your customers want? What do they need? And just build that relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Your product will build around that.
Now, being a non-tech founder, we'll probably want to dig in just a little bit to wrap up the conversation around what are some of your key learnings, questions that you'd walk into, just say you were to start again. Let's take it back. All right, we're here. You've got an idea about building this platform. What are some of the things you'd ask development partners, key points, key questions that you'd dive in and say, okay, can you do this? How can we work together? Or what's the collaboration journey?
What would you tell yourself?
Yeah, what would you tell yourself?
That you need to know.
Geez.
Maybe that way it's probably easier.
I think there's a book that could be written.
It's not the first person that said that.
If I really had to look back at my journey now, and if I were to start a new product, I would do this in such a different way. Like I would basically create a very simple version of what I want. Speak to a few customers first to see whether there is definite interest.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of trying to go build this massive program and then try and see what I can do. And then go and sit with the technical guys. Go and understand, firstly, what would be the best kind of technology to build this on, what would the cost be in this, and try and merge the two in terms of what that client is really looking for. Do they want something that's cloud-based? Do they want something, do they need access to that information all the time? And from a development perspective, I start to look at partners that already work or have developed products in that space. Mm-hmm. So not just going to a group of guys that, you're developers, but, have you ever done a tendering system? Have you ever done a project management system? If these guys only specialize in e-commerce, they'll never say no to the work. Don't get me wrong. If I come there and I say, I've got $1 million for you,
yes,
they're going to take the work.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you want a team that have had experience in that, who can really give you the insights in terms of when they've built that kind of a product before, that they had these kind of challenges, so they can really share insight with you in that space.